Because if you will look at the material, it's all about mobility, literally and metaphorically. The people, the characters in the play is always seeking quality life.
First day.
Hindi to expression, hindi pa to interpretation, hindi pa to actingan. Okay? Ang kailangan ko lang ay mag-participate kayo, mag-allow ng sarili ninyo, okay? And first rule is to breathe. But when you apply breathing into acting, it's different. Okay? Because breath is inspiration.
Lahat kami sa cast, hindi lang kaming ensemble, sama-sama kami with all the leads. Everyone has been taking strengthening classes kasi this is a heavy movement-based production. And we've also been taking extra workshops with our assistant director and dramaturg, like viewpoints, voice projection workshops. Nagkaroon kami ng intimacy coordination class also.
Na-appreciate ko rin din sa process yung collective at saka collaborative na discussion sa script para same level kaming lahat sa pag-unawa dun sa script.
We have these three words that guide us throughout the process, which is instability, impermanence, and precariousness. These three words are sewn together in all aspects of the play. So whether it be from the script, from the stage, to the costumes, to the actors themselves, you always see these three words reoccurring. And I think that's one of the most exciting parts of this play.
And now, we're doing a lot of conditioning work. We have dance classes. And so we need nga to prepare ourselves. Kasi itong production na to, ang laki ng hinihingi niya in terms of stamina.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No. I just exit here with this.
Before we start rehearsals, we usually do scene work. So when we go through the choreography, the movement that will be inserted in every scene, it's very clear already for me.
And nais kong ipakita sa kanila is yung konsepto ng fabric manipulation na kung saan nandoon yung fabric ng denim, nandoon din yung fabric na either gabardine o kaya yung pagka-cotton no, na matigas na kung saan karaniwang ginagamit na uniform ng isang trabahador, di ba? Nandoon yung mode ng industrial, no? Na kung saan pinapakita ko rin kung paano ko siya i-manipulate sa isang garment. So, nandun yung exploration, no? So, pag nakita mo niya with the set, nakita mo na yan with the lights, nakita mo yung susut yung actor, baka may magbago pa. So, yun yung magic ng scening ng panteatro o ng pagtatanghal, no?
Because we wanted Endo to be what? Unstable, to be askew, to be not ordinary. It talks about not just the Endo as an Endo where it ends, a contract ends, but each one now represents a certain person, a certain job. Each tali that is around the stage represents a person, a life, a buhay na kailangan labanan, kailangan gawin, kailangan puntahan. That is one of the elements. The second element would be the platform in itself, which means it's instability at its finest. Because at the end of the day, in the world not just of Endo, but in the real world of people, hindi talaga maayos, hindi pantay, hindi stable. Lahat ng bagay unti-unti mong daraanan at bawat isa may talisod.